Hello students, how are you? Hope all are fine. So today I have taken one important theorem, that is the BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem or Hell's Theorem. Okay, it is important for your exam. You see, the statement of Basic Proportionality Theorem is like that. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That means what? If we draw a line which is parallel to one side of a triangle and intersect the other two sides, then that line must divide the other two sides are in a same ratio. This one we have to prove. So this is the diagram. Suppose ABC is a triangle, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, this criteria is fulfilled. Now what we have to prove? By Hell's theorem we have to prove that AD by BB, this equals to AE by EC. So this one we need to prove. So for which the construction we have to join BE and CD, and we have to draw the perpendicular also. This one and E to this. So these are the actually perpendicular and perpendicular. Okay. So I am giving you one short proof like that in simply. So you have drawn the diagram, you know the procedure in geometry, you have to explain all these things, the diagram, then which line parallel, what is given condition you have to write. Okay. So just I am giving here the proof in short. Okay, so area of now, okay, so area of ADE divided by area of that BBE, this equals, what is the area of this one? Okay, so half into base. Okay, for the triangle ADE, okay, there are two heights. You see, this DM also height, EN also height. But here base first you choose. Okay, if you write here AD as base, then height which one you have to take? EN, not DM, because base and height are always perpendicular, and here that AD and EN are perpendicular. I think you understand. So half into, and again for this one DBE, base if you take DB, then height which one? EN. Why this EN is height? Okay, you know the procedure. This is suppose one triangle. If angle is 90, no doubt this one is the height. Okay, but if the shape they are like that, then which one is the height? There is no height. So if you take this one base, then you have to extend and then draw the perpendicular. So this one is the height. This one. So like that type of one shape is there. You see, if we extend BD, then EN is the height. Okay. So after this, here half of it cancels. So here the remaining part is AD by BB. Mark it one number equation. Okay. So similarly, if you see again, similarly if you write ADE divided by area of DCE. Okay, DCE or DEC. Now half. Now this time you take that AE is the base. Then height which one? DN. And here half. Again base if you take EC, height which one? Now this time is height DN, no? DN. So the DN cancel, half cancel. So AE by EC. One is 2 number equation, this one is 1 number equation. Okay. since I'm writing here that since area of DBE equals to area of DCE. Can you tell me the reason? You have got in class 9 that figures on the same base and lying in between the same parallels are of the same area. Their area should be equal. Now you see this diagram, that means this triangle and that triangle DBE, DCE have the same base and lie in between the same parallel also. So their area should be equal. Now you think using this one we can write this DCE, DBE we can write here. So left hand side it should be equal. So from 1 and 2 can I say the right hand side also equal? So from 1 and 2 we get what we get? Right hand side also same, that AD by DB this equals to AE by EC. So this one is the proof. Just simple proof. You have to write the reason here, okay? Okay. So this one is the proof. So students, the next one is converge of Thales theorem. Actually, converge means what? Converge means in Thales theorem we have proved that the ratios are equal. Now, in the converge of Thales theorem, that proof portion is given. That means in a triangle ABC, if DE is a line which divides that AB and AC are in the same ratio, that means this portion is given, and AE by EC. Converge of Thales theorem, this portion is given. What we need to prove? That this line DE parallel BC. So the statement of converge of Thales theorem is like that. You see, just you see, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line parallel to the third side. Okay. So if proof you want, then by contradictory method you can prove by drawing one line that side. Okay. So I'm not going to give the proof here. So just to remember the importance of this converge of Thales theorem. When we are going to prove that two lines are parallel, then once you think that you can apply this converge of Thales theorem or not. To apply that theorem, what is your requirement? That the requirement is this one. Are these ratios are equal or not? If the ratios are equal, then you can write this one. Is it? Okay. So next day I will solve the problem. Okay. Thanks for watching.